Skydive Noosa is located in the heart of the Sunshine Coast, and we land on the beautiful Coolum beaches. Tandem skydiving means you're going to be jumping with an instructor. We take care of all the hard parts. Safety is our #1 priority, and we're there to just make you feel comfortable so that you can have a good time and enjoy the experience. We jump up to 15,000 feet. When it is time for us to jump, we're going to shuffle you down to the door. It is the most exhilarating feeling, coupled with just the most magical views. You're going to have 60 seconds of free fall, then the parachute opens. All of a sudden the crazy noise in your ears stops and it's calm, peace. You're just there with your instructor. I find that skydiving really is a metaphor for life. A lot of things that can be achieved are always on the other side of fear. So many people come to me and they just say it's absolutely the best feeling they ever had in their whole life.